In this video, we will be dividing rational expressions and we will solve 4 problems. This will be the first problem, the second problem, the third problem, and the fourth problem. So let's get started. So we have 1 divided by x minus 4 divided by 3 divided by 4x minus 16. Instead of having this division sign, we could do a multiplication sign as long as we flip this. So instead of 3 divided by 4x minus 16, we could say times 4x minus 16 divided by 3. We're essentially flipping this part right here. And so now we have 1 divided by x minus 4 times, we can factor out a 4 here, and we would get 4 parentheses x minus 4 divided by 3. And what you notice here is that we have a common term, x minus 4, and so we can simply cancel it. And so the final answer would therefore be 4/3. And now we'll do the second problem. 4 minus 8x divided by 3 divided by 2x minus 1. And so what this is essentially saying is 2x minus 1 divided by 1. And like what we did for this problem, instead of dividing, we could do a multiplication sign as long as we flip this. So it would be 1 divided by 2x minus 1. And so the next step is we can factor out a negative 4 here, and we would get negative 4 times parentheses minus 1 plus 2x divided by 3 times 1 divided by 2x minus 1. And if you notice, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So cancel. And so the final answer would therefore be negative 4/3. And now for the third problem. So we have 1 divided by x squared minus 16 divided by 5 divided by x minus 4. And this problem, the notation is just different. So we can rewrite this by saying 1 divided by x squared minus 16, which is x plus 4, times x minus 4, times, it would be this term right here in the numerator, x minus 4 divided by 5. This is just a trick that you need to memorize or get familiar with. And so this term and this term would cancel, and so our final answer would be 1 divided by 5 times x plus 4. And now we'll do the last question. Same thing as this. So 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by 5 divided by x. So we can rewrite this by saying 1 divided by x plus 1 times x divided by 5. And we can't really do much canceling here. So we would simply say x divided by 5 parentheses x plus 1. And this right here would be the final answer. And that's all we need to do for these 4 problems.